Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Lenovo has been presenting high-end gaming laptops with its Legion brand for past few years. The Legion 5 Pro is Lenovo's latest contender in the high-end AMD gaming laptop world. Lenovo's design language can be seen in many Lenovo Legion 5 Pro elements. The Legion 5 Pro is a gaming laptop by all means, and nobody can deny it. Its specifications and gaming legacy of the Legion are certainly pointing in this direction. You get flat lines, discrete branding, rounded keys, and a slanted front edge on this device. Lenovo's simple design has many details like the logos on the sides or diagonal edges of the lid. Finally, the giant illuminated Legion logo and the large fan vents make it look like a gaming device. Under the Legion brand, Lenovo offers some of the best mobile gaming hardware. With a fantastic backlight, you can enjoy the best competitive gaming performance. You can experience great performance with the RTX 3060 GPUs for gamers and creators. The build quality is excellent, and the battery life is above average. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro makes you feel premium, and it's fun to use. On paper, the Legion 5 Pro is nothing less than a mobile powerhouse. But can it deliver in the real world, and is it worth considering? Well, stick around, and let us find out. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. The Legion 5 Pro is almost a desktop replacement device. The full-blown gaming desktop comes with an RTX 3060, and it will always remain powerful. However, the Legion 5 Pro can be a worthy investment if you want a powerful laptop. The Legion 5 Pro packs a powerful CPU, competent graphics card, and a great display. Thanks to Ryzen 7 CPU and monstrous RTX 3060 GPU, it is one of the best gaming laptops. It is available in two variants, one with an RTX 3060 and another with an RTX 3070. The size of the Legion 5 Pro is the same as that of 15.6-inch laptops in the 16:9 format. So the Lenovo laptop offers a slightly larger screen and a case of the same size. Lenovo is also bringing higher resolution screens with higher refresh rates. The display lid can hardly be bent. Also, the keyboard does not flex, even after applying a higher amount of pressure. Is the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro the best in its class? Probably yes. The Ryzen processors and RTX 3060 have caught the attention of gamers and creative professionals. You can edit 4K videos and play games at ultra-high settings. Design. Lenovo has kept the basic chassis design and form factor unchanged from its previous models. The Legion 5 Pro still has that muscular design, with large vents peeking at onlookers. The lid with its backlit Legion logo and two character lines suggest the laptop's gaming intentions. While Lenovo uses aluminum for the lid and bottom of the case. The aluminum chassis that looks and feels great. The top of the case of the keyboard, trackpad, and palm rests is made of durable plastic. The plastic helps keep the surface temperatures within bearable limits. The Legion 5 Pro comes with two hinges on both sides of the panel, and it feels rock solid. The metal exterior has a matte finish, and is gray in color. The matte finish doesn't really attract fingerprints and smudges. You can easily open this laptop with one hand without any problem. It's pretty heavy at nearly 5.5 pounds, and this is undoubtedly not as portable Ultrabook. Most of the ports are located at the back side, at the bottom of the display. The Legion 5 Pro opts for a more subtle touch, in terms of design. Display. One of the Legion 5 Pro's biggest highlights is its tall display. Lenovo claims that the Legion 5 Pro is the first gaming laptop with a 16-inch QHD 16:10 display. Most of the recent gaming laptops have 16:9 aspect ratios. The 16:10 display offers little extra vertical space, which works great for games. The Legion 5 Pro comes with 16-inch, 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution IPS display. In addition to 2560 by 1600, the display also goes up to 165 Hz and supports G-Sync. You'll have smooth gameplay, at up to 165 frames per second, with minimal screen tearing. At this screen size and resolution, the visuals are fantastic. The display is bright, and renders vivid colors, a boon while gaming. Playing games like Destiny 2, at high frame rates, will be an excellent overall experience. Unlike traditional gaming laptops, the screen delivers a peak brightness of 500 nits. The display brightness ensures easy readability even in bright sunlight. The display also features 100% sRGB coverage, making it a formidable tool for content creation. However, the main highlight of this display is its color accuracy. The display covers 99% sRGB and 77% DCI-P3 color space. Additionally, when watching content and images, the screen has excellent viewing angles. The anti-glare finish, which makes the laptop pretty easy to use outdoors. Overall, you get a solid visual experience. Performance. The Legion 5 Pro certainly packs a punch when it comes to great performance. It packs an AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, paired with 16 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of super fast SSD storage. It also features a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 mobile graphics card. The Ryzen 7 5800H is a mobile processor for larger laptops, which offer a high-class performance. It has two options for the CPU, an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H, or Ryzen 7 5800H. The Ryzen 7 5800H and 16 GB of RAM are great for other productivity work. The RAM and SSD storage, both of which are user upgradable. The Legion 5 Pro can easily handle most of the latest AAA titles. The laptop offers adequate computing performance for the latest games. You get sufficient performance reserved for image and video processing. The GPU and CPU didn't face any thermal throttling while gaming. However, what makes Legion 5 Pro great for gaming and other intensive tasks is the cooling system. Keyboard. The Legion Pro 5 laptop is equipped with an RGB illuminated island keyboard. It has a full-sized backlit keyboard with a number pad. The keyboard is perfect, and there's no keyboard flex. The keyboard features a travel distance of 1.5 mm, giving you a nice tactile feel when gaming and typing. Lenovo made a fantastic keyboard, not just for the gaming experience, but also for content creators. The keys have a unique shape, and offers fast, springy tactile feedback. The keys have a concave curvature to them, making typing easier. This curvature seems to help you center your keystrokes. The arrow keys are full-size, and are kept separate from the main keyboard layout. It has 4 zones of RGB light, where you can change different glowing modes. Touchpad. The touchpad has a comfortable size, and a very smooth surface. The matte finish allows your fingers to glide across the surface smoothly. The trackpad is significant, and very responsive with Windows 10 gestures. It has movement acceleration, and gestures work fine. It recognizes every single click, everywhere you want. You can also disable the touchpad, with the help of a keyboard shortcut. Connectivity. Legion Pro 5 has an excellent selection of ports, even by gaming laptop standards. Most of the ports are located on the back of the laptop. On the back side, it offers 3 USB Type-C ports, a USB Type-C port, an HDMI port, and a charging port. On the left side, it houses a USB-C port and a headphone combo jack. You get a camera kill switch for the webcam, and a USB Type-A port on the right side. It also offers a LAN port for a wired connection to the internet. However, this device does not offer an SD card reader, because of the AMD platform. Thunderbolt is also not available on Legion Pro 5. Battery. It packs an 80 watt-hours battery, that can last for around 6 hours, depending on your usage. Gaming on battery is not a good idea, as it cuts performance, and it will last only about 90 minutes. You can enable Optimus mode, using the Lenovo Vantage software. The Optimus mode allows you to switch to the integrated GPU, to deliver more battery life. The NVIDIA Battery Boost also helps with preserving battery life. Overall, it offers average battery life for a gaming laptop. Speakers. The Legion 5 Pro features dual downward-firing stereo speakers. The small speakers of the gaming laptop produced a better-than-expected sound. The whole audible spectrum is reproduced well by the laptop. The sound quality is sufficient for YouTube videos and video calls. For a more intense experience, you can also connect external speakers or headphones. Webcam. The display bezels are surprisingly slim, but they still hold a 720p webcam. This webcam delivers satisfactory image quality, and is adequate for video calls. It doesn't have a physical shutter, but there's an on/off switch to shut the camera. This webcam kill switch is placed along with the ports on the deck. Operating system. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro comes with Windows 10. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The Legion 5 Pro is currently one of the best gaming laptops. The robust case should contribute to the longevity of the computer. The bright and responsive display is complemented well by the powerful hardware. The display is top-notch for gaming, and is pretty damn good for content creation. Even the thermals are kept in check, with a superior cooling solution. The amount of connections offered by Legion 5 Pro is more than sufficient. Moreover, the keyboard and trackpad were also a delight to use. The Legion 5 Pro will allow you to play all the latest games at high graphics settings. You'll find average battery life when compared to other AMD gaming laptops. It is meant for use on a desk, and can be pretty uncomfortable on your lap. If you have got much money, you have to consider the Legion 5 Pro to spend on a gaming laptop. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews, plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.